Hello everybody. This video I'm going to work on this Troca. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. I'm not going to do a whole lot to it, but I do want to do a wheel swap and maybe hit some details because it's really a pretty nice looking truck already. I've just had it sitting around and it's not all tore up. It's just been sitting on a shelf and looking kind of plain. So yeah, stick around and see what we do with it. Okay, I did go ahead and drill out the posts, and I went ahead and tapped them out and put the 3/16 or a 256 3/16 screw in the front and a 256 eighth screw in the back for the post is really short back here. It's something I didn't realize before, but I just figured out. There's a post here holds the bed in. The bed is separate from the cab of the truck, so that might be useful if I find one of these that is kind of more beat up than this one. I have a project that I was needing a bed for, and I think one of these would probably work pretty good for it, so I'll keep that in mind. And then here's our base. I'm going to get these wheels out. They're taking off. Too bad they wasn't that fast when they was on the truck. Wow. Boom. Wow, there they go. Alright, then I've got these wheels from these Sam Ed wheels here. White walls. I really like these. And I've been wanting to use some of these gold ones for a while now. So, yeah, I guess I'm going to have to do the whole cheat thing and cut them down and crimp the end so I don't have to put some tubes in there. Oh, lost my tool. And let's get this back axle in here now. Oh, hey, that was my finger. Crimp the end of this here. All right. Get some super glue on here to hold these down. Oh, might have got too much on there. some accelerator on here, try to set her up quicker. All right. So let me get this back together, and I'm going to throw some details on here. Hopefully this will turn out okay. And that's really neat that they went through all the trouble to put the bed and the cab as separate pieces of casting. Oh, don't want to forget this. Phone's not working. Sorry. Oops. Right. That's the little one. Okay. Alright. You can't see the white walls in there very well, but they are in there, so we're going to go with it. Okay, let me throw some little gold details on here. If I can hold on to it well enough to do so. Might be messing it up. I don't know. I don't think this gold is real chromy looking, but we'll put some on here anyway. A little shaky. Alright, let me hit these headlights, and I think we'll be in business. Alright. Well, there we go. Let me throw this on the turntable and we'll have a look at it all the way around. Okay, just to remind everybody what we started with. Didn't have to do too much to it. It was pretty clean. It's just sitting on the shelf and thought, you know, it could use some little details. And so, yeah, not a whole lot to say about it. So, hope you like what we did with it. Well, here it is. Yeah, you guys was with me doing pretty much everything, so hope you like it. It's pretty much just a wheel swap and throwing a little bit of details on it. So wasn't a whole lot of work to it, but hey, it was still fun. I seen this truck sitting there and I've been wanting to do it for a while, and I think it's based on a 50 Chevy. The headlights are a little bit different, but yeah, I think it was definitely needing some new wheels, and put those Samid white walls on there, so I think they really do help it pop a little bit, and adding some of the little details to it. Since it was already gold, you know, put some more gold on it. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Like to like and subscribe, I appreciate it. It would help my channel grow, and maybe hit the notification bell so you know when my videos come out. I don't know what I need to do to make my channel grow. Maybe if you guys have any comments on how that would help me out. So I appreciate you guys watching. So till next time.